if you want to get the information of any particular package, so you can run the command show apt, sudo apt show and package name. So it will display the information of this and nano and leafpad. So these packages are pre-installed, and so you will get the information of these packages. Means any packages, if you want to run, give the name package here, so it will, MSF console does not exist, maybe something else, Metasploit or, so it will give the information to related the package. Okay, if you want to install the new package, so what command you can use? Simple, you can use the command is sudo apt and install any package name. Sky for Linux, so does not exist, no problem. I am going to install something else like vim. So it will download some data, press S, now it will be download any package name. But because all the packages available in the world does not exist on the repository, some are exist, some are not. So sudo apt list command is used for display the list of all the available packages. But if you want to list on particular like n nano star, so it will display all the which are starting with the nan. So if I am going to run the Skype, if available, check, let me check if available, not available. So I putting the star, maybe available, so not available. Or SSH, if I want to check the SSH list, so all the SSH are available. These are the packages which are available, we can install this. Okay. So if you want to remove any package, so simple command is apt and remove, then package name. Whatever the package if you want to remove, you can see there is a lots of the packages are available which pre-installed. If you want to remove any package, so you can remove it. If you actually want to remove any specific package name but you don't know the name, either you know the half name, so you can write half name, then press the tab, so it will display all the available options. So these are the two starting from n. For the n, there is some packages which are starting with the n. So I am going to remove the leafpad. Leafpad does not exist, that is the reason it is not displaying. So first I am going to install this one, apt install and leafpad. So you can see the downloading has been started and installed. So if I want to remove this package, so we can run the sudo apt and then remove package name. Package name is a leafpad. Okay, and hit enter. So press Y and you can remove. There is another command which is used for the poke command is used. This is actually used because when we install the package and we do some type of the configuration, and when we will remove the package, the configuration file will be remain into your system. So when you run this command, so it will remove the package along with their configuration files. Okay. So these are the commands which can use the remove, show, list and install the package. Same thing you can run the sudo apt and get, then install, and package name is, means same command you can use. Similar as a apt command, the apt get command can be used. Okay. So these two commands can be used for the installing.